Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your English class. Today, we are going to do the extra exercises of lesson number 2, the Narayanpur incident. Grammar and usage. Read these words. At angry hissing sound. Mohan made an angry hissing sound. We know that a phrase is a cluster of two or more words that conveys a short single piece of information. An angry hissing sound, for an example. A phrase conveys some meaning but is not a complete idea or thought. It does not have a subject, verb arrangement, and usually part of a larger sentence. Here are some examples. The tiny bird, very colorful, on the tree, all of a sudden, flew away. Dear students, all these are the phrases. It is being told here that phrases are the group of two or more words which convey a short message, but it does not give us complete idea about the particular sentence, or we can say it is a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. This group of idea is used with a larger part of the sentence which is independent in nature. A cluster, on the other hand, is a larger piece of information. A clause, on the other hand, is a larger piece of information. For example, Mohan made an angry hissing sound. It has a subject and a verb, noun or pronoun plus verb to complete the meaning. A phrase can be expanded into a clause, for example, the tiny bird flew away. The tiny bird, which was on the tree, flew away all of a sudden. There can be more than one clause in a sentence. As we shall see, clauses help us add more and more information within a single sentence. Now, what is being told here is that clauses are the group of words, are the larger part of a sentence, you can say that. Clauses are the larger part of the sentence which give more information. It is a kind of a group which has a subject, a verb, and it gives a complete information. Here it has also been said that there can be more than one clause in a sentence. It can be used to give more and more information about the single sentence. Now we will do exercise A. Look at the highlighted parts of these sentences. Mark P for phrase and C for clause. First one is already been done for us. The elderly man who runs this library is away for a month because his son has invited him for a visit. As you can see, who runs this library is written here. There is a subject, verb, and object given over here. So, this is a clause. That's why they have written C in front of sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. We were caught in a sudden and heavy downpour on our way back home after we dropped you off. The words which are given in highlighted, in a sudden and heavy downpour, dear students, as you can see that it does not have a subject and it does not contain any verb also. That's why you can say that this is a phrase, and we can write P in front of sentence number 2. This blue and red sari is woven in the exquisite ikat design of Orissa. This highlighted part is a phrase. So we will write P in front of the sentence. Sentence number 4. I understood the book much better after I watched the film based on it. Here, this highlighted part has got a subject or verb in it and it is giving the clear meaning. So, you can write C in front of sentence number 4 because this highlighted part is a clause. Sentence number 5. Although it is hot and humid, there is some relief from the sea breeze. Although it is hot and humid, this is a clause, so we are writing C in front of sentence number 5. Sentence number 6. Unusually talented and capable, she has risen quickly to a leadership role. Unusually talented and capable. This is a phrase, so we are writing P in front of sentence number 6. Now we will do words in use. Exercise A. For each of these phrases, find a word in the text that has nearly the same meaning. Sentence number 1. With an excited, impatient feeling. The word which can replace these phrases is eagerly. Number 2. To a great degree. Immensely is the word which can remove this phrase and can be used in the place of this phrase. Number 3. Spoken or written statement that is clear and forceful. Declaration. Answer is declaration. Number 4. Go away or leave. Quit. Number 5. Looked very careful because something was difficult to see. Peered. Number 6. In a state of watchfulness. Answer is alert. Suddenly frightened. Startled. Answer is startled. Watching or observing secretly. Spying. Answer is spying. Sentence number 9. Carried with difficulty. Lugged. Number 10. Say loudly. Announce. Now we will do exercise B. Complete these sentences by using the correct time expression from the box. Note that presently means before long and not at present. Sentence number 1. In those days, for printing books, they used to set the type by hand. In those days, we will write in those days in the first blank of sentence number 1. Now, in the second blank of this sentence number 1, we will write nowadays. Nowadays, it is done by machines of course. Sentence number 2. We have no more places on this course at this moment. But if you leave your address, we'll get in touch with you. Sentence number 3. I'm not sure where she is at present. We will write at present in the third blank. But if you give me your telephone number, I'll ask her to call you. Sentence number 4. Please wait here for a while. The doctor will see you presently. Dear students, as it was already been told to us that presently means before long, not at present. Presently does not mean that at present. Presently means before long. Sentence number 5. I lived in Bhutan in the 1990s at the same time as Meera. Now that's all for today, dear students. This lesson is completed and I hope this video will help you in completing your work. Thank you and have a good day.